Okay guys, happy Tuesday. So I'm working with the medium-sized playground ball. You can buy this at any grocery store, okay? Stott Pilates does make a really good one. It's like a royal blue, and I love those too, but you can also order, I think you can order that on Amazon or through Stott Pilates in Canada, Toronto, Canada. But I get a lot of these just at the grocery store. A lot of times I took my show on the road, and I used to teach at my kids' schools and things like that, or all over the place. I was teaching at Gordon College for a little while, a bar class, and I have a bag of these. So I just went to, Stop and Shop and bought these for $1.99. All right, so just a little tip there if you're looking for a Pilates prop that's a little bit less expensive. I really firmly believe in the props. It really helps you to get into those muscles that you really are targeting. All right, so on that note, let's get going. Okay, sitting up nice and tall on your mat, you're gonna push the ball behind your bum. Whoops, I hope this ball's gonna cooperate with me. So sometimes depending on like the type of yoga pant you have on kind of thing, it might be slippery, but you're smushing the ball, okay? So you're here. Let me go a little bit this way so you can see. So you start off with your half roll back, okay? So you just, arms stay parallel with the floor. You've done this one before. And you're gonna roll back into the ball. It actually feels really nice. It's a nice warm up, okay? Here we go. So you're gonna come up, roll back. Inhale, and exhale. Good. Keep your chin up. You're just rolling back into that ball, all right? By carving out a C in your spine. By drawing the belly button in. By rolling hips to ribs, you're just kind of squeezing, curling back. So this is called obliques rollback. It's really nice if you have like lower back pain or whatever from, I don't know, whatever you do. This is like a nice little reset button if you want. All right, let's do 4 more. So this is called the half rollback. My people who work out with me definitely know this one. It's definitely, you can do this with all different props, but with the ball behind the bum, especially feels nice. Okay, now obliques roll back. You roll back and you extend one arm away from you, and then you sweep and sit up nice and tall. All right, try the other arm. So you're gonna alternate and you follow the gaze. So you roll, extend, lift up nice and tall. Keep going. I'm gonna roll back, sit back a little bit so you can see. Roll, extend, follow the gaze, lift up nice and tall. Squeeze, extend. At shoulder height is preferable. Roll and send it away. Inhale, up, up. Exhale, back, back. All right? So you exhale when you alternate the arms away from you, and you can follow the gaze. All right? All right, let's try 4 more. Obliques, roll back. 3, you're doing great. 2, we're gonna do some sit-ups next. Last one, okay. Now sit-ups you can bring here, here, or here, whatever you feel more comfortable with. You're hinging back on the ball, okay? And you're just gonna lift up and back. So don't come all the way up, just halfway up and back. Now you can bring here, which is a little more challenging, or you can just bring your arms out, whatever you feel comfortable with. But try to bring your arms for a ride wherever they are so that your abs are in control. They're doing the work, okay? All right, here we go. 2 rounds of 10. 9, keep your chin up. 8, you're doing great. 7, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, great job. Woo! 1, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3, good. 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, whatever works for you, okay? All right, now, when we've been talking in these videos, right, I'm asking you to use your rib cage to curl up, and I know that might be a little bit, I'm gonna tilt the camera down here a little funny, so I'm gonna actually show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put the ball behind your rib cage or bra line, and you're gonna lie down against it. Now, fair warning, this is challenging. It's not supposed to be comfortable, okay? It's supposed to be like you're pressing the ribs. So when you lift up, you're lifting literally from the ribs, okay? All right, now, hands behind your head, elbows wide. Right leg to tabletop. There's 4 moves here. So tabletop, straight leg, okay? Bicycle like this, and then twist. 10 times each, and then we're gonna change legs. You ready? I hope you are. You got this. You're lifting up, chin up, right knee in tabletop, and you're going to lift 8, 7, you're doing great. 6, 5, 4, great job. 3, 2, right leg straight. 8, 7, come on. 6, 5, 4, 3. We've got bicycle next. Ready? Let's go. 8, slowly. 7, bring your right elbow to the floor. 6, inhale. Exhale, 5, inhale. Exhale, 4, rotate. Chin up, 3, 2. Last one, a little twist. Ready, go. Twist, keep your chin up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch your legs. Left leg, go right to it. Here we go. 8, 7, 6. It is hard. You're doing great. 5, 4. Exhale when you lift up. 3, 2, and straight leg. You have 8, 7. You're going to break right after this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bicycle. Remember, you're going to rotate right for the ribs. 8 for the ribs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, can you do 10 little pulses? Hold it. Lift your chin. Ready? 10. You can do it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You're twisting forward. 3, 2, 1. Put your feet down. Oh my gosh. Lie down. You're going to put the ball in between your ankles. All right. And we're just going to take a little break with reverse crunch here. So I always kind of throw reverse crunch in, you know, in between these really challenging moves, so we can pick up our confidence a little bit if that one was challenging, okay? All right, nice job. So again, the ball is in between my ankles, and I'm doing reverse crunch here by using my lower abdominals to lift my bum off the floor. Good, that's 10 more. 9 little lifts. 8, 7, 6, you've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, we're going to play catch. So reach up, you're going to catch the ball in your arms and lower. You're going to put it in the ankles and lower. 1 minute. Let's just do 10 of these, okay? 10, breathe in, breathe out. 9, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale. 7, you got it. 6, woo! 5, 4, doing great. 3, 2, 8, and last 1. Nice job. Okay, grab the ball, sit up nice and tall. All right, you're gonna put the ball in between the knees for a plank. Ready? Here we go. Plank here. I'm on my hands. Get the ball in between the knees. Nice job, guys. Okay, now, 3 rounds of 10. You're gonna tap the ball, your knees, and the ball on the floor, and then lift up, okay? Ready? You've got this. It's 1, inhale, exhale, 2, 3, 4, you can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, 10, 9, inhale, exhale, 8, 7, 6, great job. 5, 4, inhale, exhale. Try to keep your hips up. 2, 1, 10 more. 10. Squeeze that ball. Inhale, exhale. 8, 7. Neutral spine, please. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Great. Knees down. Child's pose. Take a little fist. You're doing great. Okay, let me check our timing here. Okay, good. You only have 2 more moves, all right? You're doing great. Now, the ball is kind of fun. Not fun, but it's a, again, it's a prop that kind of accentuates where we want to lift up from. So I'm going to put the ball underneath my ribs now, okay? Not on the boobs, on the rib cage. Now, we're going to do our breaststroke here. So you're going to dive in the water, exhale, inhale, lift up. Exhale, inhale, lift up. Exhale, inhale, lift up. Good. Exhale and inhale. Beautiful. Dive in the water. Your legs stay heavy. They're in a V behind you just to protect your lower back. 4 more. 3. Doing great, guys. This is a hard workout today. 2. And last one. Great. Hold. Palms down to the floor makes a huge difference. And if you ever want to know like where you should be in this position, I always say like look up as much as you can and then tuck your chin. So you should be looking in a diagonal line about 6 to 8 inches in front of your chest, okay? Take the ball, last move. We're gonna do starfish. It is summertime, it's almost summertime, guys. So arms and legs, everything up, okay? And then you're gonna open and shut. You see that? Starfish. So I'm gonna play catch with the ball. Yes, starfish. Let's just do 30 seconds here. I know this is a pretty challenging one. You guys worked really hard today. Breathing in and out. Little hand-eye coordination here. Am I right? Am I right? Yep. I hear you. Little hand-eye coordination. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep your eye on the ball. 2, 1, and release. Nice job. Good job. It's Tuesday. Bye.